guys, welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like and subscribe. This is your girl Tiona Brown Sugar, Bongo Dread, Natty Dread. I'm from the country, so I have watched my mom make it from scratch. However, I'm in Canada and I don't have lots of the things she used to make it from scratch. However, I'm gonna go the easy way. And this is my twist of making blue draws, or tire leaf as we call it in St. James or St. The tips around about quarter cup, just a taste. Cornmeal. I'm going to use one cassava, one sweet Jamaican potato. Remember, try to get the Jamaican one, the real sweet one, okay? About a tablespoon or two of flour. You have nutmeg, vanilla, rose water, cinnamon powder there, coconut milk. You can put some shredded coconut milk in it, or you can grate it, whatever you like, but I'm using the coconut milk. And then I'm going to use the pack one, but I'm not going to use the oil part. I'm going to just use the creamy part, so it's going to have that oomph of rich coconut milk in it. A pinch of salt, and guys, please, you can't forget brown sugar. So guys, in my blender, I wash and peel and cut my cassava and my sweet potato into small pieces, and now we're gonna blend. There, you want it thick, just like that. I have two bowls. First, to the small bowl, I'm gonna add all the dry ingredients. This is about a cup of cornmeal, or a cup and a half. Looks like about a cup and a half. And it's about a cup or cup and a half of brown sugar. A cinnamon for taste, just a pinch. You don't want to put too much because it's strong. Pinch of salt. Just put 1 tablespoon. About that of flour. I'm gonna and a little bit greater nutmeg. See, we don't measure stuff, we just go ahead and put some stuff in things. All right, that's it. I'm gonna combine all this together. So I just have the cassava and the sweet potato in here. Just like that. Now I'm gonna add coconut milk. I'm not gonna add too much, maybe about that, because I'm gonna use a different kind of coconut milk. Now this coconut milk is the same one, but this one comes in the package. So I already drain off the excess oil, and I'm gonna use this part. This is a good stuff. I'm gonna use about half of it. See how creamy it is? It's like you're using the trash or the coconut itself. Mix all of this together. I'm just gonna add, ooh, you wanna get drunk? Tips of rum. All right, I'm gonna add my vanilla. Guys, you can measure if you want, but you know how it goes. A little bit of rose water, not too much. And I'm just gonna pour in my cornmeal. When it gets too thick, you just want to use some warm water if it gets too thick, and combine it. Otherwise, you don't need it. If you don't have enough water, you can go ahead and add a little bit of warm water to it. But this is loose enough, so I don't need no warm water. But if it's too thick, guys, you can go ahead and add a little bit of warm water to it. This is just right. You don't want it too thick, then it's gonna get too hard when it's boiled, because there's flour, cornmeal, and all these ingredients in it. See, guys, you just want it enough to drop. There you go. And you're just gonna take out a decent portion, like so. I'm gonna set it like that. You can make as much as you like in the same fashion. Roll, crease, fold, fold, turn over, and you make some pockets. I have my pot of boiling water, very hot, and you're just gonna go ahead and stick these bad boy in. You're gonna let it cook for 45 minutes to an hour. I'll put the rest in and I'll show you the end result. Okay, my peeps? Hi guys. From my blue jars, I have some leftovers. And now, if you're smart enough and you have leftovers when you're baking a pudding or blue jars, you can reverse or add to it and make a different thing. Now, I have extra ingredients from my blue jars. Now I'm going to make a potato cornmeal pudding with the leftovers. Same ingredients, your coconut milk, your sugar, cassava, one sweet potato, little. Oh, and now I have some raisins. I'm going to add the raisin to this one. Sugar, everything is in there. Just the same ingredients from the last. Now I'm going to make a potato cornmeal pudding with my leftovers. Smells so good. I put some rum in it, just a little tip. If you have wine, which is my favorite, I don't have wine today, I'll be definitely put wine in it. So please guys, when I make it next time, I'll put wine in it. Now, look at that. Next thing I want to add, to make it look a little bit different, just a little bit of browning, because it's sweet potato and cornmeal, so I want it a little bit dark. So I'm gonna add just a smidge like that of browning, because there's sweet potato in it and I want it with a little bit of color, not so white or yellow as the cornmeal. So if you want to make a sweet potato pudding, I think I want to go a little smidge darker. Not too much now. Like that. And I have my oven already preheat. And it's going to be 350. And when it's cooked halfway, you turn it down and cook for the remaining period. Let me taste it. So guys, put all this together. If you want to see the ingredients, just check my blue jars. And all I did, just add a little bit extra cornmeal flour and sugar, coconut milk. Tastes so good. Now I'm just gonna add it to my pan. I have a big pan, so that's okay. Scoop it all out in it. So this is my sweet potato cornmeal pudding. Don't want to leave any. Guys, here you go. Shake it all in. I'm gonna pop this in the oven and I will show you the end result. After maybe 15 minutes before it's finished, I'm gonna take it out with the remaining coconut milk. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of sugar, mix it in and pour it on the top, and then I bake it, finish bake. Then you have a custard on the top. Okay, my peeps, I'll see you later. We're gonna try this together, okay? Woohoo! Gonna set one right here. Just gonna try another. There you go, guys. Before I do that, I already blend just to drink with it. A little bit of ginger, 1 June plum, and a few pieces of pineapple. Oopsie. So this is a drink you can have with it. Any other Jamaican blending drink. I'm gonna strain it. Ooh. You serve this over crushed ice, or you can just chill it in the fridge. When you strain it like that, you get everything out of it. Here you go. And my glass is already ready. I'm gonna just pour this in. It's very easy. Look at that, guys. A little bit of ginger, 1 June plum, and a few pieces of pineapple. So ginger, pineapple, June plum. And here, woohoo, here is the result. We're gonna try this Blue Jaws tile leaf, which is, I make it with foil paper. Oh wow, look at that, guys. My first try at it, and it's really good. We're gonna taste. Wow, look at it. So soft, not too hard. Look at that, guys. Wow. I'm just using my fingers, guys, but it's so good. I'm gonna try a fork. Look at it. Very soft, not too sweet. Oh, guys, it's hot though. Don't eat it when it's so hot. You have to cool it a little bit, okay? It will burn you. And my ginger, June plum pineapple juice. So good. Lots of June plum, lots of ginger. Taste a little bit of pineapple. Wish you were here to try it. My peeps, and next tip, okay? You see me without wig. The kitchen is hot. I wear wigs or extension. People, if you wear wigs or extension, please snatch it off, put it one side, and come on into the kitchen and cook. You don't want hair to get in your food and other people to taste the hair in their mouth. So when you finish slaying with your makeup and wig, you take that all off, put it one side, and put your wig one side, or your extension, or if you have long hair, please, guys, to tie it up with something like this or tie it in a bun. Don't let the hair go all over the food that people eating, okay? My first try at Jamaican Blue Jaws, or we call it in the country tile leaf. So when it cool, it's supposed to be super good. Look at it, still soft and nice. It's good. We're gonna see the end result together. Ooh, it's hot. Please, guys, be careful. Oof. So my sweet potato cornmeal pudding, you can have that with some fruit, and you can also use a little bit of fruit dip. This is the test, okay guys? mm. When you cut it, and it's warm now, so when it's cold it's gonna get a little bit harder. However, it's not supposed to be too hard when you're just cutting it when it's hot. You need it to be soft, succulent, and moist. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. Look at this. I wonder if everybody is seeing what I'm seeing. So soft. Ooh, very soft and nice. And when it gets cold, it's gonna be a little bit harder, but you don't want it too hard. Look at that. Mmm. Oh my god. Look at it, guys. Look at that. Juicy and nice. Very soft. Not too sweet. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, my peeps. Mwah, mwah.